One of the most fun and iconic activities we did during our trip to Israel was to float in the Dead Sea. The water in the Dead Sea is about 9 times saltier than ocean water, and things are very buoyant, and it's one of the lowest spots on the earth.
Hi, I'm Erik Trinidad, and we're here at the Dead Sea in Israel, where we're going to answer the question that we've all been wondering since biblical times. Will a 14-pound bowling ball float in the Dead Sea?
Here we are at the Dead Sea. We haven't got the therapeutic mud yet.
Yeah, I'm keeping my head up. This is so great. You can swim.
Don't.
Like you can propel yourself.
Did you touch your lip with?
Salty. Whoa, why'd you have to do that?
Smile. Did you taste it yet? He said to taste it. I'm going in the Dead Sea here in Israel. Okay, it's a little cold. Whoa, this is buoyant. Woohoo! I love it.
On the other leg. Hey, you gotta put your hands up, don't you? We're not doing anything.
Oh. Hello. Just floating around. Therapeutic mud at the Dead Sea. Are you all better?
I feel so much better. I can handle the world now. Yeah.
I would say you're covered.
There's some mud. I got you some mud.
Okay.
Whoa, you dropped it. Ah.
That's okay. I'm not going to do much.
They're all over.
I probably need to shower. Just got out of the Dead Sea, did some mud on the face. Now it's time for a little showering and heading back to the bus. Thank you.
Totally
float.